Tired of missing your favorite shows and wrestling with complicated DVR setups? Today, we're diving deep into YouTube TV's DVR, seeing if it's the cord cutter's dream or a frustrating letdown. First up, ease of recording. Simply search for the show you want. Then hit the plus button, and boom, every episode, past and future, is automatically recorded. No more setting recordings one by one. Navigating your library is a breeze. Everything is neatly organized by show, making finding what you want super simple. Skipping commercials, easy peasy. YouTube TV's DVR lets you fast forward without annoying glitches. And here's the kicker: unlimited storage. Record everything your heart desires, no more worrying about running out of space. Plus, watch your recordings on any device, anywhere. Your shows are always with you. Overall, YouTube TV's DVR is a winner. Easy recording, unlimited storage, and seamless playback make it a top choice for cord cutters. Thumbs up from us.